I tried making butter candles. Here's what I learned. I made the wick with what I had on hand already, which was some natural hemp twine. A single wick didn't produce much of a flame, which meant that the butter didn't melt quite as quickly as we might have liked. For the other candles, I used 3 strands and braided them together, which was much better. Whether you're flavoring the butter with herbs or garlic, you can add some of the herbs around the candle. It's easier to do this if you dip one side into butter. It helps it stick to the inside of the cup. Melting butter completely instead of just softening it will cause it to separate, which means that the bottom of your candle will be wet. And no, stirring does not prevent this. I tried that. Instead, I was just careful about how I unmolded it, and I just sliced off the bottom and used it anyway. Worked like a charm.